Okay, we have a 2010 Chevy Malibu. We're gonna test some parts. So if you're interested to buy some parts, check the video. So get inside the car. First thing, we're gonna try the radio. Put the key on, put power, and see if it works. Okay. Okay, radio's working.
Did they come up to me after show, sir?
Husband went super detailed, and I was
Okay.
like, babe.
So now we're gonna try the CD player. Let's see if it works. It's loading. Taking the CD out. Let's try another CD.
They're like, no, it messes up your brain, and I don't want. Like, they will now.
That's great.
The speaker sounds very good. Let's do another CD.
Love me tender, love me sweet.
Okay, that's the Elvis. So, CD player works. Shut it off. Try the heat control. The fan is working. Yep, it's working. Working good. Temperature is working good. Up and down. Recycle. Defrost. AC. Okay. So heat control is working good. It has the auxiliary, and it has more stuff, but whatever. So now another thing that they ask me all the time, the power window switch. Going down, going up, going down, going up. Left rear, going down, going up. Okay, the switch is working. The mirrors is working. Passenger side mirror is working. Okay, so the switch is very good, and the trunk switch is working. I don't think I'm gonna post that one, but that's it. If you're interested in something else, this car is gonna be going to the boneyard, so let me know quick. And that's it. The speakers, the Bose speakers, they sound nice. All right, so got the brake lights, the signal lights. We have the headlights. It has the sunroof. I don't wanna deal with the sunroof. That's too much work. We have all the rims, the brake lights, tail lights. The doors, they complete, but I don't think it's gonna be time for that. All the interior inside the car is black. It looks very nice. We might save it, we might not. All depends how long it takes to boneyard come to pick it up. We have the mirrors. We do have 4 doors are good, mirrors are good. That's it. All right.